Hey, beautiful soul. I would love to invite you on an adventure. In July, I'm running an event called Mission Leadership and the Fabrics of Reality. And this particular event is for the New Earth Mission Collective souls that are building and leading and scaling true mission empires of light. And, missioned to co-create a new Earth, to do grid work and portal work, and to work with powerful technologies, anchoring and stabilizing new Earth realities and timelines and the full structure of our beautiful ascension, our beautiful planet ascending and supporting this ascension process. And so, if you feel excited in your heart to embody more of your soul frequency, to expand and embody more of your beautiful crystalline soul mission into every single cell, into every single atom, and to anchor it into the field. If you're feeling called to receive a codex on multidimensional leadership, to receive and activate within you the beautiful crystalline codex of being a divine emperor, empress, leadership from the higher realms, to lead your mission, to lead your mission movement, then join us for this event. There'll be more information somewhere around this video for you to tune into. Yet ultimately, this is a deep ascension journey, working and remembering and co-creating with other aspects of yourself that have lived in civilizations, advanced civilizations, and you've been in a place of leadership or in a place of royalty, so to speak, and tapping back into those codex streams to embody them in this incarnation and to walk a path, a new path, leading your beautiful mission in the most benevolent ways. When we initiate inside of us multidimensional leadership, what it means is that we are co-creating, we're channeling and streaming from beautiful crystalline places that we have lived in and or shall live in, because you can channel in from what appears to be the future or the past versions of ourselves, and being guided by a full collective of higher self leadership. And then everything is so precise with every choice that we make, with every single aspect of our empire that we build, everything that we do, all the missions we go on. And some of our missions really are creating the architecture, the full physical and non-physical architecture of the new Earth. And so this beautiful event that I'll be running inside the New Earth Mission Collective is initiating the memory of how to repair, activate, build new, install higher realm portal technologies and networks, do grid work beyond imagining, multi-dimensional grid work, and work with technologies, ones that already exist and brand new ones, to channel, to install, to fully consciously be a part of the quantum work that you do. And for a lot of souls on the planet, we get guided to go to certain places. And a lot of the work that we do there is actually not conscious. We feel to go there. We know that we're doing things multidimensionally, yet we don't have full clarity always on exactly what technology we're working with, what grids we're activating, what we're repairing. And so this event is inviting those that are excited to remember more, to fully call back your memories from eons on what portal technology is, to be able to identify the portals on the planet, work with them, and to create new ones. Because part of what we're doing inside of the New Earth Mission Collective over the next few months is co-creating a whole new higher realm portal network. And that includes restoring and repairing and activating some of the amazing ascension portals around the planet, and then co-creating, installing new ones, fully, building as a team and installing a whole new portal network. And the purpose of this is for each amazing higher realm portal around the world that's anchored into the crystalline grids to do something pretty phenomenal. When we take an ascension journey, what happens is we are shifting and blending with other versions of ourselves. And for those of us on a fast ascension journey, it really does feel like we're waking up in new versions of ourselves every week, often every day. And I know if that's you when you're watching this, you can relate. And at the same time, it's still following a path where it's kind of feeling linear, where it still feels relatively linear, the journey. So it's a quantum shift, yet it's happening more in a linear format with portal technology, Ascension Portal technology, that the architecture of co-creating with this advanced technology, the quantum shifts become more profound, more embodied, and we're able to bend time and space more precisely, more gracefully than ever before. And so imagine that what we're literally doing for those that feel called to this mission is remembering the whole portal network, how to do portal work in a really conscious way, and then creating portals. So Ascension Portals basically mean that if you're in this portal and there's another, the Ascension Portal technology that I'm talking about is working with portals that are a network. What that means is one portal literally leads to another, which then leads to another and another and another, another, another. And imagine that you go through one portal, come out another and another and another, and you're shifting timelines and realities and worlds really, really fast, yet it's graceful. And as we anchor and stabilize this particular mission, working with amazing Ascension Portals, we then build a full architecture inside of planet Earth, allowing other souls to receive a big shift in their ascension journey through the heart field, which means that what used to take souls decades or lifetimes can happen in days. And for those that are ready for this, that have already done a lot of inner work, that are already choosing love as their ascension path, that are devoted to co-creating a new, beautiful, crystalline, golden age of existence, that, within your heart can feel the true embodiment of honoring and being devoted to your divine ascension and your mission. These codes are for you. They're here. It's available for you to be able to do this beautiful, quantum shifting experience, to remember how to co-create with portal technology, to of course in your own mission, fully activate the portals that your soul came here to activate, and to co-create with us in the New Earth Mission Collective, a full new portal network that's supporting your ascension, your full soul embodiment, and the whole planet. So if this resonates, if this feels exciting to you, and on top of this, if you're also excited to, call back into this physical form the memories of true divine leadership on other planets and in other times on this planet, so you can serve at the highest, so you can expand energetically and call in and shift into much larger expressions of your mission on this planet physicalized, then click the links, find out more, and book a chat with me. Every single soul that comes into the New Earth Mission Collective to receive advanced codes in their mission and ascension, to work in the fabrics of reality at this level, we have a chat just to make sure that this is in alignment. It's part of your soul mission, and I'll be channeling in awesome, beautiful messages with your, of course, permission, and tuning into your timelines. And we get to see if you're to join us. And you can either come live and spend time in my home during this event, or you can join in online, and either or, it's perfect, because if you can't make it live, then you're meant to be somewhere on the planet anchoring these frequencies that's not in Australia. So if this excites you, click the link, find out more, book a chat with me, and together with a beautiful collective of amazing ascending souls, mission souls, we get to go on a journey to remember precisely how to alter the very fabrics of reality, how to build, repair, activate, create all the beautiful, benevolent, high realm grids, technologies, portals, and see this planet ascend, transform, and become a new golden age. Much love. Look forward to chatting to you soon.